Meaning of food stamp.
Food stamp.
Food stamp.
Food stamp.
Food stamp. A food stamp, also known as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, is a program in the United States that provides assistance to low-income individuals and families with the ability to purchase food. Recipients are given a certain amount of money each month on an electronic benefit transfer (EBT) card, which can be used to purchase groceries at authorized retailers. The goal of the program is to reduce hunger and promote healthy eating habits among those in need.